Hey guys, I'm back and look what I have. Y'all know how much I love unboxing products, especially for self-care. Got my new curl box. I think this is the March one. You want to help me unpack it? I know you do. Come on. Hey guys, welcome back to my happy. Y'all know I've been making. Alright guys, so if some of you don't know what the Curl Box is, it's a monthly subscription, and they give you 5 to 6 full-size products, $25 a month. You cannot beat that. Some of the stuff in here, it's not like cheap stuff. It's for the, everything that I've seen so far has been good stuff. I used to get it a couple years ago, but anyway, so they send you a box of stuff that most of the time you don't know what it is, and that's the funnest part. This is the card that shows you everything that you are getting in it and what it does. But I don't want to take the fun out of it, so let me open it. Has a black tissue paper. All right, so the first one is a low lather cleanser, essential moisture, and the brand is Zoto's Professional. I never heard of those. Have y'all heard of them? They got to be good though, because I'm telling y'all, this company. Okay, so it's a light smell. I like my smells a little stronger, but sometimes you can't tell until you actually put it in your hair, like the full smell. I feel like there's something on my nose. Y'all, if I record this video and there's something on my face, I'm gonna be mad at y'all for not telling me, okay? All right, so what else do we got? So it looks like it's all the same brand. Sometimes they put different brands in here. This is All About Curls. It's a boosting foam mousse. Y'all, I got something on my nose. Okay, that smells a little weird, but I think it's because it's not foamy foam in your hand, you know? But anyway, excited to try that. I love mousse. I love any hair products. I love products, period. Buy Build Up Pre-Shampoo Treatment. So like a pre-poo treatment, I've seen them called before. I've never used it, but obviously you put it on before you shampoo. Let's see how this smells. I like it. I like it. It's light and soapy. Nothing too fancy about it. Pretty simple. What else do we got in here? Divine Treatment Deluxe Moisture. So this is your hair mask for deep penetration, deep moisture, and it's free of silicones and parabens and all those chemicals they say are bad for us that can cause cancer and other things. Oh. Now this smells good, y'all. I love me some smells, as y'all will find out and learn. I don't know why I put it in my hair, but I wasn't gonna waste this good stuff. Come on now. And then All About Curls Taming Cream, Controllable Definition. Taming cream? I don't know. Gives extra thirsty curls a smooth, soft, and defined look. Okay, I love me a good curl cream. That's what this is. Excuse my excitement, y'all. And it smells so good. It's like, it smells like lotion. That's all of this smells like, lotion. It all smells very similar and good. If y'all like light and subtle and fresh, springy maybe, I don't know, then you will like these. Just let me not put them in my face. So guys, I'm gonna have fun trying these out. I do have a regular hair regimen, but I can try some things just to see how it looks. Keep in mind, anything that you do in your hair or try new in your hair, you want to give it some time to work. You want to make sure that you're using the products correctly, contrary to popular belief. You don't know everything. So read, because you'll be surprised at what just reading the directions will help you out with. Okay, I'm rambling now. So if you guys are interested, leave me a comment below, or you can go to curlbox.com. They're not sponsoring me. I'm not getting paid. I just love them so much. They take me to my happy place, which is where I'm trying to get you to. Self-care. Make sure you take some extra time to love on yourself, okay? Love you guys. Bye. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell too. See ya.